In the time I've been heavily procrastinating this video, I've been playing a lot of Skyrim this month. Besides bullying the undead in the catacombs of burial grounds, shouting at dragons and generally being a nuisance to the lands, I've always loved the scenery that Bethesda created in this game, especially my favourite town, Solitude. Even the name grants a refreshing glimmer of hope within the frosting wastelands of the wild. The bustling town offers so much variety of exploration within its walls. Beautiful foliage to gather, blacksmithing with Beirnd, friendly locals.
It's best you leave me be.
Well, at least I still have Lydia. Alright, lads? Okay, well, I guess there's only so much to learn from this game. Let's put something onto paper, shall we? Used by humans of Forbidden Lands, the year is divided into 8 phases, split up by 8 festivals. The calendar does not follow the moon, but phases with full moons are considered stronger and have a more significant impact on events of the year. Every phase is 45 or 46 days long. During the midwinter celebration, the most prominent servants of the gods decree the different festivals will be celebrated during the year. Since the Forbidden Lands have several religions and commandments about the festivals do not reach every part of the land, they are often celebrated on different days in different places. And here we have the calendar. On the top we have the midwinter, then winter wane, awakening day, spring rise, spring turn, etc., etc. I quite like harvest day and rot day. Those are quite interesting. Now, move this away. I've set up something similar here. The top of the shard is 6 a.m. That's when it becomes morning. Let's make it easy for ourselves. Along the way, it becomes noon, 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. at the bottom and dusk on the left. Pretty simple actually. But I have the year set up here. A lot of the year is consumed by the summer, right here. Breaking down with a monsoon. We have autumn, and then we have a dry spell before turning into winter. And reflected back on the left side of the year.
Machines have set me free. Take me home. You said we'd always have the drive to rise above, see the dawn, but in the twilight we'll reach the lighthouse where they took apart my soul. But I dream of new colors, and I have seen my own. I dream of my brothers and moments in the sun. Dreams almost over, and I will see the dawn, but they're moving their numbers, and I don't think we'll hold. Don't scream, don't scream, 'cause they will hear your call. They'll make me forget. Stay close, here they come. Stay close, here they
Well, wasn't that fun? Now that we've got the weather sorted out, I think it's about time we got back to solitude. But first, I've got a special lens that I must put on my camera. Otherwise, we might not be able to see it. Now, it's all fitted, ready to go. Let's see if we can find our own solitude. Oh, look. There it is. There's my home. My own fortress. This is Flame Island. The village is wrapped around a large-scale beacon of fire that has been slowly fading in brightness for generations. Scattered among the rocks and hillsides are small shacks, shops, farmlands, and docks towards the shorelines. While the flame is first to bear witness, the architecture is second, with its profound, pointed rooftops resembling flames. Those who are devout to the beacon will paint their rooftops red to show their faith. The flame protectors are protected by the meritocracy, the most intelligent and educated citizens within the village. Overseeing the rulings of several groups, they operate a small bureaucracy to handle the day-to-day work of the government, while overseeing large-scale threats towards the flame or the island. When children become of age into adulthood, males are indoctrinated into a ritual of incantation within the centre of the beacon. Small groups are taken towards the top and left to bask in the light for several days. Those who can withstand the heat and dehydration for the full period will be initiated into the Flame Brotherhood. Those who don't bring shame to the village and must survive off the lands. Most resort to fishing and farming, while others travel overseas to escape the torment. Noah was always hesitant to be part of the Brotherhood. They were bullies and corrupt within the system. They rose the taxes of anyone who couldn't live in the flame's eye on top of the mountain, which forced many to travel abroad. As Noah came of age, 3 Brotherhood members dragged him from his house, stripped his clothes, and doused him in jasmine oil for protection of heat. Salvador Sharp, who was in charge of the initiation, he enjoyed the misery in others. After 2 days against the flame, Noah could handle no more. He crawled to the exit, pleading to escape. Sharp reminded them that if you fail, you will become banished. Sharp's favoured punishment against those who couldn't bear witness to the flame. Unfortunately, Noah lost. Noah set sail for new horizons the next day. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe. It really does help a lot. If you enjoyed this kind of video as well and you think others would also enjoy it, please share it among your friends. Goodbye.